Okay, for real? The cat has been moving by itself.
Stop looking at the cat.
No, it's a club called Escape with an X.
What? Oh.
And I'm pretty sure it's turned off.
They have some of the best clubs anywhere in the country. I mean, that and all the weed dispensaries. Have you heard about edibles?
Yeah. Wow. You partaking?
I mean, I like to party.
I'm hoping it's motion censored.
Well, it sounds like you guys are really exploring it.
Yeah, you're moving around and it's not doing anything. I don't want to pan off of it because I don't want it to move while the camera's away.
I hesitate to ask this, but
You can see that you're moving in the glass.
okay, I didn't know.
She wears a little, like a bra thing, and this kind of like
Okay. Not motion
Oh,
censored.
Jesus. Oh, please, Dad, never
Well, what the
ever
hell?
say booty short or gesture in this way in any capacity again.
Told you that thing was evil.
birthday party.
Great, I look forward to that. And by the way, speaking of your party, you need to give me the invite.
If it starts hissing, I'm outta here.
This weekend.
What do you have planned for my birthday?
No, I'm exploring some options.
Hmm.
Dad, maybe you can slip into one of these super cool leather jackets for your birthday. You seem to have a very extensive collection.
If you want any of those, please help yourself.
And I mean, the metal in the background moving isn't really helping, but that's just from the air conditioner.
You're terrible. Love everything. The cat was here like 4 times.
Silver.
Guys,
I don't think it
it's
responds to
official.
sound either.
My friend Jennifer is on Bumble and
Yeah.
is.
Hey, I'm on Bumble. What's your friend's last name?
No offense, yeah. You
Silver.
clearly have herpes on your head.
Especially if
It was a surfing accident. You said you couldn't even notice it. Yeah, you can. It's hard to notice.
He's fine.
Instagram person
Very
jump on inanimate cat.
Hey.
I'm not gonna set you up with a little
I'm trying to.
so
Whoa.
yourself.
Oh my god.
Now it's looking right at me.
It's staring at you now. And its eyebrows went
Why
down.
did you say he's gonna be
What
terrible?
cat? What?
Seriously?
So
Let me ask you a question.
Look
How
away.
long was your friend married?
9 years, which sucks for her because
Look
had she
away.
made it to the 10-year mark, then she could have
Oh
found out.
my god.
Now she's only getting it for
I don't care if Georgia loves that cat, I'm getting rid of it. I'm setting it on fire.
Seems to know an awful lot about divorce.
Honey, you know I have
I'm
this.
taking it upstate with us and setting it on fire.
Can we
Yeah,
live
take
in the
the
leather
spirits
now
up
when
there.
Yup.
Oh,
it smells like water?
You look like
Well,
a
if it's Salem or Harles,
Not like one of the creepy ones.
then it should give us a sign or some shit that it's Salem or Harles.
Take it. I love my jacket, and I can't wait to wear it out to a club.
great. You know what? You should go to Escape with an X. That's the club my 70-year-old father and his allergist girlfriend are visiting these days.
That sounds amazing.
No, it's a new development.